Hi, welcome back to Crochet-A-Graph Patterns. I'm going to show you how to do this gold buckle for the holiday sweater. So I just measure my thread and make my loop. And then I'm going to chain 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And now I'm going to do a double crochet into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 is a double crochet. Now we're going to do 3 more double crochets. One, two, and 3, because we want 4 on the sides and then 6 on the top and bottom. So there's 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next one, we're going to do 4 double crochets in the same loop. Two, 3, 4. And now we're going to do 6 double crochets in the next 6 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now in the next one, you do 4 double crochets in the same loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you do 4 double crochets in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the next one, you do 4 in the same loop. One, 2, 3, 4. And now in the next one, you do 6 in the next 6. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now your belt should connect. Oops, up here. And so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the last one, you want to do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you hook it to, then you slip stitch it into the top of the first chain. So just make it fit. And we slip stitch. And we finish it off. And by finishing off, you just pull your loop through and cut your end. And there's your belt. And then when you sew it on, you just sew it on to be centered with the black part of the belt. Usually you have to stitch it at the top and on the bottom around. And that was how I did this one. I stitched it around on both ends so that there's no loose end. When I do this, I like to touch it and make sure that nothing flips up. Everything's flat. So there. And that's how you do the belt buckle for the holiday sweater. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy holidays.